Hello and welcome, SOC students and SOC families, to the 2021-2022 SOC chapter of National Junior Honor Society. I am so pleased to invite you, and I'm so excited for the work that we will do this year. Just having viewed your applications and your essays, I know that this is a great group of kids that is going to accomplish a ton here for your school and for your community. Congratulations on being accepted. It is not an easy process. You have had to prove yourself throughout the course of your 6th and 7th grade years academically just to have been invited to apply. And then your applications gave us an opportunity to see more about the work that you have done in your local communities, in your family settings, in other school events. And you guys have just done so much already. I can't wait to see the work that you will do with me, hopefully guiding you this year. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what National Junior Honor Society is. We are the school function for contributing to the community in a positive way. We undertake fundraisers for both SOC Middle School, but also for other organizations. In the past, things that we have done is we have raised funds via the Penny Wars, which is always a fun challenge for our homerooms, to pay for things like the funding for cancer research for KS95 Kids for Cancer, to pay for things like food supplies for care, especially during this challenge that we've had with COVID. We also have done things like had book drives for students who need books in our local communities, but also globally. We have done food drives. We have done care packages for the military, for our men and women who are serving abroad. We have written out Valentines and notes of encouragement for our seniors living at Guardian Angels. There have been times we have visited Guardian Angels and have played bingo with them. Lots of different things that our group is involved with, both here at SOC, but also in the broader community. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview as to what to expect for our first meeting. Again, our first meeting will be held this Tuesday, October 5th, in my room, 608. And our first meeting will be a couple of different things. As a member of National Junior Honor Society, it is expected that you guys uphold certain values, and we will all take the National Junior Honor Society pledge. And I'm going to just recite it here for you so that your families can be aware of the pledge that we will take together as well. The pledge goes as follows. I pledge myself to uphold the high standards of the National Junior Honor Society, to which I have been selected. I will be true to the principles for which it stands. I will be loyal to my school and will maintain and encourage high standards of scholarship, service, leadership, character, and citizenship. With regard to the service component, it is expected that all National Junior Honor Society members contribute 20 hours of community service outside of our group. So that would be about 5 hours per quarter, where you might help run a school carnival for your younger siblings, maybe run a nursery at the church. There's lots of different things, feed my starving children. Those things can all be used to get your 20 hours of service for National Junior Honor Society. We will be using Schoology to keep apprised of our ongoing events and to communicate things out to our group. I know not everyone can meet every meeting, so if you are not able to attend, the best thing to do would be to check Schoology and then to just let me know. At our first meeting, we will have an officer decision to make. So we will decide what officer positions we need for this coming school year, and then you guys will have an opportunity to apply for those positions and have them be voted on by your peers at our next meeting, which will be Tuesday, October 12th. I am just so excited to see what you guys have to contribute this year. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And again, congratulations. I'm looking to an awesome year. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on Tuesday.